Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I want to show you one little thing that I do when I go home. I love ice cream, but often you buy ice cream. It is a pint, usually I buy a quart, but you take some out, you leave it in the freezer, then a week later it's kind of all strange around. So what I do is this, I remove this, I cut the side of the thing so I can unmold it. And I cut it in portion. In there I would do 4. This and this. And that I put directly into a baggie like this. And I mold it into a nice bowl. That's it. Nothing wasted like this, and always super fresh like this. So that goes into the freezer. After dinner or when someone wants an ice cream, I'll take it out of the freezer 15-20 minutes ahead, leave it in the refrigerator. But you know, this will keep very beautifully fresh like this. I mean, I put it into a bag, but you can put it in a little piece of plastic wrap, you know. And often I serve that with a bit of a sauce. Here I have peach jam. So a bit of peach jam on top. Right. Some nuts. In that case here I happen to have pumpkin seed. I already have nut in my refrigerator. And maybe like now I can have a little bit of a sprig of mint. And here I have 3-star restaurant dessert, beautiful control. Happy cooking.